There is temporal life, there is the life eternal. God wants you to live an eternal life. And you say you want to live a short life here and enter eternal hell. Let someone say, God forbid. Let someone say, that is not our portion. And that is not my portion. Because why I turn it again, say, that is not my portion, because salvation is Jesus Christ. What is that? He said, to that thing and say, plug it up. If now your right eye, now your left eye, now it will make you not make heaven. He said, plug it up. For you to know the seriousness of what he's saying. He says it's better for that eye to enter hell, the other body, the other part of your body, or will make heaven. He said, hell is not in your body. He said, I cannot answer your prayers because your head is full of love. Your mouth is full of lies. Your heart is full of hatred. He made your foot not to go fast is a place where I want to be. Where is the great letter? You want to hear when you go and mass. Now your leg is like to go run from evil or to destinate evil. You have not the mind of God. You must